Thank you. Very good question. Yes, very good question. If you don't ask, I won't explain. If you ask, now I explain. Why? Always put ge, but here not ge, here is guo, right? Yes, okay, now. Yes, thank you. Yes, you are my good student. Very good. 很好 very good. Yes, remember beginning we learn if have number, have noun. Between what we need? Measure word, right? Yes. So, when we have number, when we have noun, between we need yes, very good. So then, for example, we say 3 students. Okay, 3 people, easy, right? Then we say 3个人. Okay, 3个咖啡, whatever, right? So about the measure word, we have many. Now, because we are beginner level, that's why everything use ge. It's fine for now, okay? But step by step, we will learn the right one. But now you use ge, it's fine, okay? So that's why you go out, you heard people also said a lot, 一个, 3个, 5个, right? Because they omit the noun, but measure word must have. Okay, now, question. So start. You remember how to say this one? 这个. How to say that one? 那个. Yes. So for example, say 这个 something. Why we use ge is here measure word. But 这 you say, oh teacher, 这 is not number. Right. Actually, because when we say one something we like for daily life, we like to omit. Actually, here is 这一个. We just omit. Actually 是这一个. 这一个咖啡是我的. 那一个咖啡是他的. So when it's one, usually we omit. That's why we just say 这. That's why it's like 这个. Actually 是这一个. Understand now this? Okay, now back. So here, so 哪 why say 哪个咖啡 the same. So it's if it's a question 哪个咖啡 or something, actually 是哪一个咖啡 because we omit one. That's why you say, oh, you always have 哪个. Actually, because that's why which one? Okay, look. There are many coffee. So I want to ask, which one is yours? Which one is yours, right? So means actually 哪一个咖啡是你的? Then you say, 这一个咖啡是我的. That's why 是哪一个 but for one, for daily life, usually we omit. That's why it sounds like 哪个. Now understand? Do you understand now? Okay, good. Actually the same. Look. This is which one, right? So 哪个? 你要哪个? 你要哪个? There are many. There are many pizza. I ask you, which one do you want? So 你要哪一个? So 哪个? And I can change. If I say, you want to buy 3, shh. If you want to buy 3, means which 3 do you want? How to say? How to say? Yes. So this, if one, like which one do you want? 是你要哪一个 If you want to buy 3, I say, which 3 do you want? Thank you. Yes. 这是你要哪3个 Exactly. Here. 哪3个咖啡 or whatever. See? Now understand? Yes. So 个 it's a measure word.